Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Sean with Emerald Coast Digitizing. Today we're talking about kind of an issue with tapes that a lot of people are finding and not knowing how to fix. And it's super simple, and I'm going to look at it today. And maybe this is the problem you're having with your tapes. So let's just check it out. If this isn't the problem you're having, I'm sorry you came and watched this video, but it may be as simple as this. So let's just take a look. First off, if you had a camcorder like this, it takes the little VHS-C tapes that fit into the adapters like this. And you can see the little tape in there. So we're at the workstation now. Let's check it out and see what this tape's doing. We'll just put it in this player here. And we'll try a couple players just to show what's going on. Press play. Okay, we got nothing. We got no image. We got a little bit of garbled image. Okay, it's coming in and out. We know there's footage on this. We just heard the audio. All right, let's try it in a different player. We'll put it in this Sony. That was a Panasonic that we just used. And we'll press play. And okay, it's playing a little bit.
Hey, Bob. Good, Bob.
Still doesn't look very good. Okay, so it's not working on those two players, or it is kind of working on that bottom player, which is a Sony. But let's try it in this player here, which is called a... Let me turn it on first. This is a super VHS player. And we're going to play it, and it's playing now. And the image is coming through perfectly. So, image is coming through perfectly on a super VHS player. But, we take it out and we put it into a regular VHS player. And it does not work. Let's just try it again just to see if something changed. And no, it is not playing. Still got a problem with it. A lot of the VHS-C tapes I see are Super VHS, which is, was more common than maybe a Super VHS player. The cameras came Super VHS. So, and I just happen to have the customer's camera. It is a Super VHS camera. The tapes are exactly the same, but it won't play perfectly in a regular VHS player. So you have to check your tapes sometimes and see if they are Super VHS. Check your camera if you still have it. If it's Super VHS camera, you're probably going to want to pick up a Super VHS player, because the player that you just got off eBay or Craigslist or whatever, or Marketplace, just isn't the right player to play your tapes. But if you are running into other problems, I've got lots of videos on this channel where we just talk about issues that happen with people's tapes. A lot of mold tapes, garage kept tapes, and just damaged tapes in general. If this is helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. See you in the next one.